मिल गया उसी को मुकद्दर समझ लिया। जिंदगी एक सफर है सुहाना, यहाँ कल क्या हो किसने जाना।
Old is gold. Live the life king size. In the next few minutes, I am coming with a simple solution for leading a happy life at the age of 60. Please watch it carefully and positively. It will be very useful to you in developing a perspective towards life. But before that, let's watch what is the reality. Zhou Daxin, a Chinese novelist, in his latest novel, Getting Old Slowly, has very sensibly explored the neglect and the disregard that hits an aging person, particularly after he retires from his business, profession, or service, and then how he miserably fails to respond to this humiliation. And then he is at loss to understand how to deal with this humiliating treatment. This happens because many people believe as if they know everything. But in fact, they are as ignorant as a child. They are completely unprepared for what they have to face when it comes to getting old and walking the road that lies ahead of them. In their young age, they were either too busy to find out as to how it happened to their seniors, or they had conveniently ignored them. Or then they were in a fallacy to believe that their case is altogether different, not to face such a situation. But remember, sky will continue to become dark and dark, and we should be ready to take up the road when all the lights are dimming, and that too without losing balance. The contemporaries by your side will only continue to grow smaller and smaller in number. You hardly have any control on this phenomenon. Almost all the people in the older generation by this time would have left, while many of your peers will increasingly find it difficult even to look after themselves. Your then beloved, who had promised to sacrifice their life for you, or you felt that they loved you, might have become altogether busy in their own life. So don't expect anything from them now. People are going to forget you with the speed you haven't anticipated at all, and will start caring less and less for you. No matter how glorious your past was, aging will always transform you into a routine old citizen. The spotlight no longer shines on you, and you will have to learn to be happy, standing quietly in a corner, and to admire and appreciate others. Don't make a mistake to dream that you will still be at the center of the attraction for the society. Sooner you accept the truth that nobody has time for you, more you will adjust to the slippage very fast.
शोहरतें उल्फतें चाहते सब कुछ इस दुनिया में रहता नहीं, आज मैं हूँ जहाँ कल कोई और था। इज्जतें शोहरतें उल्फतें चाहते सब कुछ इस दुनिया में रहता नहीं।
I fondly remember the old Anand song.
ये भी एक दौर
कहीं दूर जब दिन ढल जाए,
ढल जाए सांझ की दुल्हन बदन चुराए चुपके से आए.
your next gen will be busy in building their own career and their own life. Probably you also did the same thing during your times. Remember that. In the current high-tech environment, with huge deterioration of family and ethical values and evasion by smartphone and social media, it has become all the more challenging for them to keep their children on the right track. Coming to the point, realize that they have less time for you. Make them free to decide their own direction. Let them build their own future. Please remember, when the age grows, growing expectations only disappoint you. So, moral of the story, If you are already prepared to accept the fact that your kids will abandon you in your old age, you will not feel bad about it, even if they really abandon you. You must have seen Amitabh Bachchan's Bagban. It's similar. However, despite all this, if they take care of you, it will be a bonus for you, and you should be grateful to them and to the God. The road ahead will be full of hurdles and precarities. On this road, it's quite likely that you will meet unsolicited friends like diabetes and blood pressure, or even some more friends. And it will be beyond your control to say no to them. You will have to live with them and take them as your friends without fantasizing their absence. If you really make them friends, they will go away from you. Please take all your medicines regularly without a pinch of salt. Do regular exercises and maintain your health in good condition. Be ready to get confined to bed, waiting to be dragged to the finishing post. Your father and mother brought you in this world on a bed after a long journey. You are reaching the same bed, but this time, remember, your father and mother will not be there to take care of you. At this juncture, again, it is possible that your life partner also departs, leaving you in a state of vacuum. It's very painful to withstand this loss. You will have to learn how to live alone and to hug or embrace the solitude. Listen to this old song from Mera Naam Joker. कल खेल में हम हो न हो, गर्दिश में तारे रहेंगे सदा, तुम भूलेंगे वो, और हम तुम्हारे रहेंगे सदा. You might get the people to work for you wearing smiles on their faces against the money that you pay. However, still be grateful to them without waiting for tomorrow to come. Friends, life is not about complaining. Life is for so many other things to remain grateful and happy. Along the way, if you have enough money, life will be tolerable. Spend money when required, even on comforts if it is affordable, but don't waste it. Money is important, but there are two important questions at this age: how much to earn and when to stop earning. In fact, this is $1 million question, very difficult to answer. But remember, the credit balance in your bank account at the time you leave this world is the excess of the effort you shouldn't have made. Using the knowledge, experience and the skills that you have, try to remain engaged in some gainful activity, as the normal tendency of the people is to value the things for which they pay. If it is not possible for some reason, do it without money. However, ensure that self-respect is not compromised at any point of time in this process. As far as possible, avoid going to the place where you retired from, unless you have valid reason to go there. And in that case also, don't act superior and say, "Alas, those days are gone," or "When I was there, the things were far better and now the things have gone bad." Also, don't stay back after your work is finished. Respect their time. These are the days when relations should be your need rather than making relations based on this. Forget jealousy. If at all you want to compare, please compare for emulating good things. Remember, divine balance is constantly working for you. Never hate the people. Respect jealousy of others because they are the people who think that you are better than them. Walk away from the arguments that lead to anger, from the people who put you down, from anyone who doesn't see your worth. Love the people who treat you right. Forget the ones who don't. How people treat you is their karma. How you react is